Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to draw an owl in a very simple and easy way. First of all, we'll make a V-like shape like this. These are the eyebrows of owl. Now we'll draw the face of owl. Okay. Now we'll draw the eyes. For that, we'll draw the two circles and two small circles inside. That's it. So, this is the face of our owl. Now I will draw the hair. Now I'm going to draw first feather of owl. Another feather. Finally draw the body. Fingers. And that's it. Now in this picture I am showing that owl is sitting on the branch of a tree. So I am going to draw a branch. So this is the branch of the tree. Now I'm going to draw a beautiful flower here. Now draw the leaves. Okay, so our cute drawing of an owl sitting on the branch is complete. Now let's color it. Okay, so our cute drawing of owl and coloring is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.